Okay, people, this is the fabulous Dr. Charlene Anor. See, fabulous, I told you. She's just back from safari, lol, in joke, and she's going to demonstrate to you how to do a gynecological examination. She's just going to do it with no talking to show you what it would be like in real life. And then after this, we will deconstruct each step so that you can see bit by bit what needs to be accomplished. Over to you, Dr. Anor.
Okay, cool. So I'm Dr. Anor, and this is my patient. I have already introduced myself to her. I've explained the procedure and why it's necessary. I've explained that I'm going to palpate her abdomen, I'm going to do a speculum examination in order to obtain a pap smear, and I'm going to do an internal examination with my fingers after that. I have reassured her that it usually isn't painful unless she has any pathologies such as endometriosis already causing pain, but I have also explained that it might be uncomfortable, but if I go slowly and she listens to my instructions, we can minimize the discomfort. This is falling out mistakenly. Okay, ma'am, please bear down or cough a little bit. Where's the other cervix gone? Okay, that bit. Oh, there
yeah.
we go.
There you go. No, cut. You're going to have to cut this bit out too. Do it as you would.
Oh,
Just
okay,
do it as you would.
Okay,
They need to see it how it is just organically.
Okay, cool.
Because remember, afterwards you are explaining what's
Let
happening.
me cut from when I inserted, because I also didn't warn her that it was going to be cold.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, cool. So I'll do it from when I pick this up.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, this might be a bit cold. I'm now going to insert the speculum. You might feel a bit of cold. There's no abnormalities that I can see on her perineum, including her labia majora, minora, clitoral hood, and perianal area. Also around the introitus, there's no abnormalities I can see.
No talking.
No talking at all.
Because you wouldn't do that in real life.
That's true. No.
Right?
Okay, cool.
Who are you telling?
Yes. Okay. So I'm picking this up again.
Picking it up again.
You know what? I'm going to pick it up, deconstruct it, because that's how they get it in the neck.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, you might feel a little bit of cold. I'm now about to insert the speculum. Okay, I'd like you to bear down for me a little bit. Just push out gently, thank you. Okay, ma'am. I'm going to gently remove the speculum. If you could bear down for me, please. Okay, this is not how it is in real life because we would
So
normally have lubrication.
Yeah.
Push out for me gently, ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay, ma'am, I'm inserting my fingers to do the internal exam. If you could bear down for me, please. Thank you, that's perfect. Is there any pain there? Nothing. You're feeling fine? All right. Okay, ma'am, I'm removing my fingers. You could push me out gently. Thank you. Okay, ma'am, here's some tissue. You can just wipe yourself off and you can go and get dressed. After you come back from the bathroom, I'll just explain exactly what my findings were and what we're going to do next.
Thank you very much. And with such a flourish.
Oh,